Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and now it's time to get into the unboxing and first impressions of the last fully protective case for the iPhone 15 Plus from the first batch of cases that I got in. So now it's time for me to give everyone my unboxing and first impressions of the, and I'm not making this up, AI rugged fully protective case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Now I know AI is really becoming a thing, especially in late 2024 and early to mid 2025, but come on now, AI case? It is what it is. I guess, if you're an up-and-coming company, you gotta try and take advantage of any trends, anything that could potentially put your company in the limelight and get you more sales and traffic and traction, I guess. But this is my unboxing of the AI fully protective rugged case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Now let's get into this. Now this is very similar to the last case that I took a look at. The gosh, that name is eluding me. Paro's case, which was also another fully protected case as well. But the only difference here is this case is supposed to offer a tempered glass screen protector as well as a tempered glass lens camera protector. Now, I am not going to use either of those because I have my own versions of those already pre-installed. So we're going to see how this case plays with the tempered glass I have installed already and the lens protector tempered glass I have installed already. But this is another case that offers full one-stop shopping, okay? But again, you are losing out on some capabilities if you go with a case like this. Again, no MagSafe functionality and no built-in kickstand of any kind. But if you're the type of person that just wants maximum protection, or again, just like the last case, if you work in a heavy-duty environment like construction or things of that nature, and you just want a fully protected case to know that your device is going to be okay, especially when you take it on the job, this is the style of case that you want to be looking for. Or if you're super clumsy like myself, and you're okay with not having a kickstand or using MagSafe or wireless charging, this is the type of case that you want to look for. But let's unbox it. Let me give you my first impressions. Let's slap it on the device. Let's get into this video. Let's go. Okay? Now, taking a look at the overall packaging and presentation, this is very, very similar to the last case that we looked at. So you just have the case inside of a nice see-through baggie, barcode information, and device information here. So it tells you the device is for here, and it tells you the device is for right here. Okay? Let's crack into this. Now, are you going to be nice to me? The other one, I kind of had to rip it. Okay, this one I don't need to use any rippage. So you just crack the baggie. Then you can slide the case out. And then, as I said, we have our wet not dry wipes, our dust removal stickers, and our screen protector right here. And then we also should have our camera lens protector as well, also in here. And then again, we have another installation guide. Let me throw this baggie off to the side. So we have another installation guide here, similar to the last case. Just walking you through how to separate the case. It is a 2-piece case or 3-piece case. So you have your front frame, you have your TPU, and then you have your back shell. Okay, and it walks you through how to separate it. I'm going to show y'all how to separate it in this video. And then once it walks you through how to separate it, it also highlights some features here. So drop protection, okay, quality product. You have edge protection for your display, and you have a nice raised lip for protection for your cameras. Okay, so good stuff there. Alright, let me throw this off to the side in case there's something that I don't know how to do. We're going to reference back to the user manual. And they did provide a nice clip. Alright, so if I can't use my fingers to separate this, we can use the clip. But hopefully I don't have to. Let me rest the screen protector off to the side and the camera lens protector off to the side. Again, we're not going to use that. And basically, you find the groove points, just like the last case, and you want to separate it, right? Oh, this one's in there hard, like. This one's in there real hard, like. Okay, so you definitely might have to use the tool to separate this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So we definitely want to use the tool to separate this. And they only really give you one breakaway point. So this is your one breakaway point to separate this. So let me get the tool out. I'm guessing you just put this in here. Oh no, let me use the flat edge. Oh no, this tool ain't gonna do nothing. Oh well, no, it works. And then you just pop it up. Enough for it to separate, I guess. Yeah. And then now, you can use your finger and separate it. I don't know how much I like that. Yeah, so you just use the tool to get you started. And then you can work around and use your finger to do the rest. Oh, this is really, really hard. Wow. Wow, I done heard about making sure your product stays together, but wow. This is like next level. This is really next level right here. Does this come off? Okay, yeah. Yeah. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Okay, and then it comes off like that. All right. Wow, that was tough. So you separate your back shell, and then here's your TPU, and then I'm guessing this comes apart as well. Yeah, it's got to. Yeah, and this comes off. Okay, so you kind of like put your suit on your device, and then you put the back and front shell on. Okay, and you got your nice shock absorption TPU suit for your device. So once again, you want to thoroughly wipe down your device, because this is one of those cases that you're going to put it on and it's probably going to stay on for a while, and you're only probably going to take it off to clean your device. So let me give my device a quick clean with my microfiber cleaning cloth here. Okay. So wipe down the front, wipe down the back, get the cameras. Alright, nice and clean. And let's go ahead and do the reassembly. So I'm guessing you would go like this first. So I'm going to put the suit on first. Pop that in. Okay. And then the easiest way to do it from here is probably back shell and then front shell. So I'm going to just drop this down. Make sure it lines up. Okay. Get everything lined up and in place. Pop it down. Snap it around. Pop it down, snap it around. Come on, defense work. I feel like a cheerleading section was about to come up in a second. Maybe I watched too much movies. But you just want to make sure everything is nice and snug and in place. Get this snugged up. Just like that. Everything looks good. And then we're going to go ahead, oh wait, which is the top and which is the bottom. Okay, then we're going to go ahead, okay, here we go, and snap on our front shell. And you want to take note of how this lines up. Okay, so nope, that's the bottom. This is the top. There we go. Just like that. And then you snap it on into place. Alright. Hold on. Alright, get one side down here. Get the other side down. Hold on, let me pick this up. Alright. Alright. Snap them into place. Snap them into place. Oh, hold up. Did I put it on wrong? It looks like I did, because that doesn't line up correctly. Hold on. So it was the other way. So let me see if I can pop this out. Alright, hold on. I don't want to break anything. Hold on. Hold on. Did we? Yeah, I think we did it wrong. Yeah, now she's misaligned. Hold on. Let me see if I can get them out. Yeah, so I had it the right orientation before, and I messed it up. And now she's kind of stuck on there. Alright, so let's peel this off. Okay, hold on. So there you go. There you go. So yeah, that was the right orientation. I had it before. So it didn't look right to me, but I guess it was. So it's supposed to go like this. And that's supposed to snap on correctly. Just make sure you line up the sides correctly. And it should snap down into place. Once you line up the sides correctly. There we go. That's it. That's it. There we go. Yeah. So take note of how it comes apart, because there's no indicators on how to properly put it back together. So you want to take note of the orientations of how it comes apart, and then do it in reverse to put it back together. But now it's on, and our device is fully protected. Okay? Rest this wipe off to the side, rest this clip off to the side, and let's get into these first impressions. So once again here, we have full protection. Now, we do have a more texturized back on the back of this case, but it's still kind of slippery in my opinion. But we have a nice raised lip for our camera lenses. And you see it works perfectly fine with my protective camera lens protector. Right? And you can see it works perfectly fine again with my third-party screen protector that I had pre-installed. Okay? But all of our buttons are fully protected. Let's check clickability. Still super clicky. Let me hold it up to the mic. Still super clicky, so still have nice tactile buttons. Oh, missed the click. There we go. And everything is fully protected. So if I drop my device back down, I'm good. If I drop my device face down, I'm good. Oh, that turns my device into a brick. But I have full protection on my device, and I do have nice grippy sides on the device. I guess it's because of these textured rails, and the power button does have a nice texture to it now. So I have full protection with nice grip around the sides. So this is perfect. And I can still get to my mute slider right here. Everything is good. So first impressions of the AI rugged full protective case for the iPhone 15 Plus. This seems to be another good one here. Now, let's talk pricing. Let me see about these colors. Let's see what we're working with here. Now, this was another case that I found for a great price. Get ready for this, y'all. I'll have the B-roll thrown up in post. But you have a variety of different colors. And this case is only $7. That's right, $6.99. Right? So the color you guys and gals are seeing in today's video is dark green, but it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 colors total, but there are 17 other colors, right? And the one you guys and gals are seeing today, as I said, is dark green. And I'll have the B-roll thrown up in post to show y'all all the colors. And regardless of which color you go with, it's still $7. So what? This one is $6. So the pink and purple is $6. Alright. The see-through or clear is $10. Alright. And then the rest of them are $7. Okay. Woo! Ah, that pink hurts my eyes. Ah, that lime green, bro. Oh my gosh. No, that's intense. I can't say bad words, but that's intense. But yeah, these do seem like some really good colors. That red and black actually looks good. This red and black looks good. And that all black looks good too. I wonder why I didn't go with the all black. Especially because the all black was $7 and the green was $7. I probably wanted to break it up because I picked up a lot of black cases. Probably wanted to throw in a different color. But yeah, the clear is $10. And then the other one is $5, and then the rest of them are $7. Again, I'll have the B-roll thrown up in post showing y'all all the colors and all the prices. And yeah, guys and gals, that does it for today's video. Okay? This was another video recorded with the Moto Edge 2020 in 1080p at 30 FPS. Y'all know all the other good stuff. We're going to get into testing this now. I'm going to use it for a couple days, and then I'm going to come back and let you guys and gals know if this case is worth picking up for your device. Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I'll catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Another solid, rugged case that offers full protection. At that price, you almost can't go wrong. Alright, catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.